Today I'm at Ischebeck Titan in Burton-upon-Trent to understand the IT journey they've taken under the guidance and support of Infinity IT Solutions. Ischebeck Titan are specialist providers of engineered solutions for concrete frames, ground engineering and civil engineering applications. Over the last 6 years they've undergone a significant digital transformation which has elevated and transformed their business globally. As you can see, this has culminated in a move to a fantastic new headquarters. So let's find out how this has happened. As with all businesses that Infinity manage, they have an accounts team, and I am delighted to welcome both Adam and Steve, who are responsible for the management of the Ischebeck account. So Adam, could you talk me through the history of the relationship?
Well, the relationship initially started when Infinity were contracted to provide user support for over 100 users globally 6 years ago. Ischebeck had been experiencing different support levels that were hampering their productivity. We implemented an around-the-clock service guaranteeing a 30-minute response wherever the users were based around the globe, so whether that be Australia, the Middle East or the UK. The relationship grew from there, consistently meeting the business's IT demands and providing a much-needed, stable support platform.
Steve, from a technical perspective, what challenges did you encounter?
When we started delivering support to Ischebeck's users, we were not responsible for their infrastructure that their core applications resided. Ischebeck had a fully outsourced cloud offering that wasn't meeting their business needs, and users were being severely hampered by speed. This had a massive impact on the number of calls they were logging.
After providing such an excellent service in difficult circumstances, we were asked to provide an assessment of the overall IT setup and make our recommendations. Infinity provide a truly unbiased approach to scoping IT, and a hybrid solution was designed to be the best suited for their business. The implementation and adoption had the desired effect, with no downtime experience since the move was made to the Infinity solution 4 years ago.
Clearly a big change to a hybrid solution. So what happened next?
Well, we opted for a hybrid solution because at the time of the change, the maturity of the cloud and the promised cost savings in the model were not delivering for Ischebeck. The solution we implemented enabled their business to grow and replicate around the world. For instance, when they opened up a new site in the Middle East and Australia, we were able to ship the necessary equipment pre-configured to simply join their business systems in a secure manner.
Well, I suppose that brings us to where we are today. We've supported their users for over 6 years now. We provide their core infrastructure, we're responsible for their security, their connectivity, telephony, video conferencing, and we're now sat in this new fantastic headquarters where they continue to embrace technology and see the value of what that gives their business.
I'm joined by Shirley Hutchinson and John Pollock here at Ischebeck Titan, and we're going to discuss their recent experience of Infinity in more detail. So Shirley, I understand that you're the Group Strategy Director here at Ischebeck Titan, and you've been working with Infinity for the last 6 years, but what actually prompted the initial move to work with them, and what impact has that had on the business?
So we decided as a business that we would outsource our IT resource in order to have a more cost-effective approach to keeping up to date with technology. That kind of skill set is very difficult to maintain in-house. We wanted reliable IT infrastructure that we didn't have to worry about. Infinity have helped us to achieve that by transforming our workplace with modern digital technology that is both cost-effective and increases productivity.
So what actually differentiates Infinity from other IT service providers?
Infinity are reliable. They listen to us and they propose solutions that work. All of their staff are very passionate about customer service, and they're both technically competent and very approachable.
So John, your experience with Infinity has been heavily focused on the new build project. This is clearly a really impressive workspace. What was the reason for the move?
The business was approaching 30 years anniversary. We've experienced significant growth in the core products, and we've made significant investment in research and development. So we've added numerous new product lines to the portfolio. We needed significantly more space to store the product and improved maintenance and repair facilities as well.
That's great. So how did you find working with Infinity?
It was really positive. Infinity have worked with Ischebeck Titan for many years, so the relationship is already really strong and they understand the business needs. Moving into the new build project, they got involved at the very early stages and gave input to the office layout and the specification, as well as the hardware required to meet the business needs. Overall, really positive.
Oliver was a key part of the service delivery team on the most recent project, which was Ischebeck's Relocation. So Oliver, can you tell me what were the main challenges and complications that you had to overcome?
The brief was simple. We had to be on time and on budget, and we delivered on both counts. The challenges we faced were vast, as you'd expect with a move of this size, particularly as Infinity are responsible for all matters IT here at Ischebeck. The main challenge was ensuring 100% uptime during the move, whilst keeping both sites fully operational. This was achieved by our excellent project management, regular project reviews, at the same time as utilising our experience from other relocations and our ability to interact with other trades on site. Connectivity was no straightforward task. As we know, this is probably the most important element of any office, with so much relying on it, and perhaps one of the biggest challenges was getting this to go live on time. Ischebeck were embracing new technologies with the move, and user experience was paramount, ensuring everyone was comfortable with their new setup. We've received some fantastic feedback from the end users, who were delighted with their new working environment.
One of the best things about Infinity is their response time on support calls.
They took steps to identify my individual user requirements, ultimately increasing my efficiency and satisfaction levels.
The systems and procedures in place to raise a support call are easy to use, and Infinity are always quick to respond.
They talk a language we can all understand. I'm never bombarded by technical jargon.
It's fantastic to see how Infinity IT Solutions have managed to provide a cutting-edge, end-to-end solution and reacted to every demand of a growing business like Ischebeck Titan. If you'd like to know more about how Infinity can help your business in its journey to digital transformation, then talk to the team today.